Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe something that makes a lot of noise. You should say, what is the noise like? What do you do when you hear the noise? And how you feel about it?
Sure, I can describe something that makes a lot of noise. One thing that can make a lot of noise is a jackhammer. A jackhammer is a tool used in construction to break up hard surfaces like concrete or asphalt. When a jackhammer is in use, it creates a loud, repetitive banging noise that can be heard from a distance. When I hear a jackhammer, I usually try to move away from the area where it's being used if possible, as the noise can be quite disruptive and even painful to listen to for an extended period of time. If I can't move away, I might put on some headphones or earplugs to help block out the sound. Overall, I don't particularly enjoy the sound of a jackhammer, as it can be quite jarring and unpleasant. However, I do understand that it's a necessary tool for certain types of construction work, and that it's important for buildings and roads to be maintained and repaired. So while I might not like the noise, I can appreciate the work that's being done and the reason why the jackhammer is being used. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.